How to run HTML code in Visual Studio Code. Want to learn how to run HTML code in Visual Studio Code? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the steps to create and view your HTML files. So let's get started. First, if you haven't already, download and install Visual Studio Code from code.visualstudio.com. It's available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Once Visual Studio Code is open, create a new file by clicking on File, New File, or pressing Ctrl+N. Now, save this file with a .html extension, for example index.html. You can do this by going to File, Save As, and type in the name. Next, let's write some basic HTML code. Start by typing the following. Then, this code creates a simple HTML page with a heading and a paragraph. To run your HTML code easily, install the Live Server extension. Go to the Extensions view by clicking on the Extensions icon in the activity bar or pressing Ctrl+Shift+X. Then in the search bar type Live Server and install it. Once Live Server is installed, go back to your HTML file, right-click anywhere in the editor and select Open with Live Server. This will launch your default web browser and display your HTML page. Any changes you make will automatically refresh in the browser. And that's it. You've successfully run your HTML code in Visual Studio Code using Live Server. If you have any questions or want to learn more, leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.